There are many ways to greet someone. We'll learn about the most common way to greet someone in this lesson. I'll give you a variety of example sentences. Greeting someone you never met. Hi, my name is Steve. It's nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Jack. Asking about occupation. What do you do for a living? I work at a restaurant. I work at a bank. I work in a software company. I'm a dentist. Asking for a name. Usually, we will not need to ask for a name as it is implied that each person should say their name. However, if someone doesn't introduce themselves, you can ask, "What is your name?" Sometimes you might not hear the name clearly. In such cases, you can ask them to repeat their name using one of the following phrases. What was that again? Excuse me? Pardon me? Thanks for watching.